We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. We can read English, we can write English, now we can speak English from today. We say thanks to Alec, we say thanks to mentors, we say thanks to whole team forever. Oh, I feel proud, I feel great that I can teach English from today. Thank you.
Hi to everyone. I am D. Srilata from 14A batch. I am mentee of Saraswati ma'am. I want to give my opinion on this course in some rhythmical words, just like SCT sir had a chance, had a chance, had a chance. SCT sir had a chance to participate in elect batch. All the mentors encouraged much, encouraged much, encouraged much. All the mentors encouraged much to improve our speaking skills. We all go through themes and tasks, themes and tasks, themes and tasks. We all go through themes and tasks and learn much of knowledge. This course give me much courage, much courage, much courage. This course give me much courage to speak in English. All the SGTs want to join, want to join, want to join. All the SGTs want to join to improve their teaching skills. All the mentees, thanks to them, thanks to them, thanks to them. All the mentees, thanks to them for their helping hands. Thank you all. I am very happy being a part of this course. Every week's themes are very useful to our personal and professional life too. This course gives me much courage to speak in English. This will be a most attractive thing to attract my school children also. Thanks to one and all who participated in this course as my mentors and to all my communities also. My special thanks to Anthony sir and Ajim Premji University and this year. Thank you.
Namaste, good morning to all. I am very thankful to Azim Premji University and ACRT Telangana to giving this opportunity to enrich my English language. Before this course, I feel very shy and fear to how to interact with others in English because I am from Telugu medium background. But this course is giving me a lot of self-confidence to how to speak with others in English. So through this course, I enrich my English language and language skills and spoken English, and I enrich a lot of vocabulary also. So this will be helpful to my teaching profession and daily life works also. So I am very thankful to our coordinator Anthony sir, and a special thanks to mentors Saraswati madam, Akila ma'am and Mahesh sir, and a big thanks to our co-mentees also to cooperating me a lot. So thanks to everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Bhavani from 14A batch. I would like to share my opinions about this course. In this course, all the themes are well designed to mold ourselves. My teaching career can be divided into two parts, that is before ELEC and after ELEC. This is the impact of ELEC on me. I was a guilty feeling in my mind that being a teacher, I am unable to speak English fluently. But now I am enough confident. Generally, my motto is to give best to the children. Now I am improvised and sharpened with this course. Definitely, I will serve them in a better way. I can proudly say I learned to speak mother tongue from my mother, English from my ELEC. ELEC also gave me a precious and unknown bond with you people. Thank you one and all.
Hi everyone, this is Neha from Elec 14A3 batch. Firstly, I am very happy to be in this course because even if we know the language and we can't speak it, it will be of no use. With this course, now I am able to speak English in my daily life. Now I can teach my children in English with actions, storytelling, role play, in whatever the way they can understand. And I want the children there to speak English simply and easily. From this course I have learned that we should never stop our learning. Learning is a continuous process. Everyone don't know all the things because knowledge is like a ocean. We should keep on trying. We should keep on learning, studying. I'm very happy to be in this course and I will surely make use of this course. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, Elec and SCRT, and thank you all.
Hi everyone, I am Bhavyashree from ELEC 14A batch. I want to say one thing about this excellent ELEC course. That is, we are all moving with our co-mentees, mentors and coordinators, sir, in a free and healthy environment. They are all boosted and encouraged us a lot with positive vibes when we hesitate to talk in English. This is the best example to apply in our schools. Like, we should encourage and motivate our children to learn and speak them in English what they know with small words and small sentences. Don't discourage them at any cost. And all themes are very heart touching that we could feel them, and we are all connected with that themes. That's why we gave our best in our tasks. So like this, we should create new concepts and real life situations to our children. This will enhance our children language skills. How we improved our language skills through this wonderful ELEC course. I am very thankful and grateful to all ELEC members and who have been working behind technically in this course. Thank you, Ajim Premji University. Thank you all.
Good afternoon all. I am Prasanna Lakshmi from ELEC 14A3 batch. I am very happy to say that I was enjoyed this course. By the end of this course, I got confidence that I can speak English fluently anywhere without fear. The themes are very interesting to share our views freely. The assignments which are given to us increased my language proficiency. All the co-mentees mutually encouraged each other and participated very actively in all the sessions. I feel that in future also we require this type of courses to enrich our language skills. Thank you for Ajim Premji University for conducting this type of courses. And also I am thankful to all the mentors who helped us and build confidence to speak fluently without any fear. Thank you one and all.
Hello everyone. A girl with hardworking, self-confidence and looking for an opportunity to do better and achieve great things. As she gone through the ELEC course and improved a lot in 9 weeks. And she is before you today. That is me. My name is C. Soumya from batch 14A. It is a beautiful journey with all. I recapitulated all my memories by these themes. It is turning point to all of us to achieve great spirit in language. By the thoughts of my co-mentees, I learned a lot. Then their thoughts enlightened me and shown me a new path. This course provided me a lot of friends with an emotional bond. Last but not the least, the essence of roots are tested in the last. I believe that the last will be the best output by all of us. Thank you, Ajim Premji University, for making this course a most memorable one for all of us. Thank you.
This is Raja Gudeli, 14A3 batch. All are saying that this period of pandemic destroyed us. But for me, it helped a lot joining into ELEC course. It has changed my attitude actually. It improved my communication skills and enriched English language skills also. All the themes were connected to our real life and our profession also. All the themes helped me to improve communication skills and enrich our vocabulary also. What I learned in this course, I will execute definitely in my school, my students, and also at home. And I encourage them to speak in English more and more. I will create more opportunities for them and me as well as to speak in English without any fears. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nani, ELEC 14A batch. I will thanks to Ajim Premji University and SCRT Telangana for introducing such a great and wonderful program to us. Now, I am telling a few words about this course. This course is a wonderful course to enrich my English language. This is very helpful to me to talk in English. It's a very helpful to me and my profession also. And all the 9-week tasks are, all the sessions are going very well. And it's very good. In every session, we learn new thoughts, new assignments. Finally, I sincerely thanks to our coordinator sir and our friendly mentors and my mentees also. Thank you.